Moses in Cradle, also known as Boatlily or Nargis. Lately, I noticed that in my garden this plant has gone a little out of control, and that's when I decided that it's time to multiply this. This plant propagates very easily, I have noticed. I just brought one stem from the nursery, and look how much it has grown already. So I decided that I will take 5 cuttings from this plant and I will put it in 5 small pots. And I'm pretty sure that this will be a successful propagation. Let's get started. So first I have taken here 5 pots and a little bit of red soil, and on top of it I placed a little bit of vermicompost. I need to make sure that I break the chunks very nicely. And on top of it, I added coco peat. I need to make sure to remove those big chunks of wood. Then I need to mix these 3 things very nicely. I believe that one of the most important things in growing plants is the soil. This is the standard mix that I always use, and it has worked for me very well. I also add a little bit of neem powder all the time because it saves the plant from getting infection or any kind of fungus. Now I need to dig in with my hands, and I'm making sure to break every chunk or every small piece of rock or anything to be removed from the soil. So first I placed small gravels on the bottom of the small pot, and then I put in a little bit of soil. As I said, propagating Moses in Cradle is very easy. All you need to do is just remove those dry leaves and place it in the soil. Make sure to press the soil around the root or the stem cutting really well. Then it will be easy for the plant to hold the soil. And one cutting is ready. Likewise, I did the rest of them as well. I followed the same procedure for all the 5 pots, and it was really fun because this plant has never disappointed me. I'm very sure that this will grow well, and in few days or weeks I might even show you that how they have started multiplying. The best thing that I like about Moses in Cradle or Boatlily is the purple color on the opposite side of the leaf. The interesting thing is this leaf has 2 colors. The top part is green and the bottom is purple or red or pink or whatever you call it, but I see it as purple, and I really like it because it pops out in my garden. And just like that, a set of new plants